I'm Matt Busalis, owner of Busalis Baking, and I thought I'd share with you some of the things that we do every day in our bakery that you can do at your home to help you with your baking. The first minute of baking is scaling. And unlike a lot of home bakeries, we indeed scale. We weigh our ingredients. We do not measure in volume. Weighing is much more accurate. And I always advise home bakers the first and best money they can spend is about $15, $20 on a nice digital scale that goes from ounces to grams. Metric is much more efficient. So we scale very precisely. We put it in the bowl. And another neat thing is when you're scaling like this is that you can do subsequent ingredients right in the middle. So if we have that right, we just zero it out and we'll add our yeast. And never cast your ingredients all over the other ingredients. Keep them in a pile. That's very key because that way if you have a mismeasure, you can take it out.